Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to share saved passwords instantly in iPhone. So if you're in a chat or in a conversation and now you want to share a saved passwords with the contact, here's how to do it. First of all, you have to open your keyboards and then tap on the message box, and here you will find autofill. And the same way, I'm going to opening my WhatsApp, opening a conversation, and all you have to need, just tap on the message box, and here you'll find the autofill option. Just tap on autofill and here select passwords. And now you have to verify your Face ID or your passcode, and then here you will find all of your saved passwords. Now search for the password that you want to share. My case, I'm selecting this Amazon Prime, and here tap on password, and as you can see, the password has been imported. Now just send the password. So this is how we can easily share our saved passwords instantly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.